Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Tuesday, April 15th, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. Is custom AI the future of business efficiency? The article discusses how businesses are moving away from generic AI tools toward custom AI solutions that integrate seamlessly with existing operations. It highlights European firm Sigli's approach of developing tailored AI systems based on understanding specific company workflows and data, which has proven successful across logistics, financial services, and healthcare sectors. Custom AI solutions offer several advantages over one-size-fits-all approaches, including better workflow integration, reduced resource requirements, and targeted problem-solving capabilities. The article provides specific examples, such as optimized route planning in logistics, streamlined compliance checks in financial services, and automated data processing in healthcare, all leading to improved efficiency and cost savings. While acknowledging the benefits, the article also addresses challenges like data preparation, system integration, and security concerns. It emphasizes that successful AI implementation requires focusing on practical applications rather than chasing trends, with the ultimate goal being to enhance rather than complicate business operations. The piece concludes by highlighting various business use cases and stressing the importance of creating AI systems that deliver measurable benefits while integrating smoothly with existing processes. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. ByteDance has developed a new artificial intelligence model called Seed Thinking that specializes in economic reasoning and analysis. The system employs an innovative architecture that selectively uses only a portion of its total processing capacity, making it more efficient and focused. Early testing shows the model performs better than human experts on various economic tasks and competes with other leading AI systems. This development could transform how businesses approach economic forecasting and strategic planning, offering more accurate and cost-effective analysis tools. Nvidia is establishing new manufacturing facilities in Arizona and Texas for producing artificial intelligence chips. The company has secured significant real estate and formed strategic partnerships with major manufacturers including Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company and Foxconn. This expansion comes as part of an agreement with the United States government regarding trade restrictions with China. The domestic manufacturing initiative will help companies ensure more reliable access to essential AI hardware components while reducing supply chain risks. Ireland's Data Protection Commission has initiated an investigation into Elon Musk's Grok AI system over potential privacy violations. The probe focuses on whether the AI model improperly used European Union user data from the X platform. The investigation could result in significant financial penalties or operational restrictions under European privacy laws. This case highlights the increasing importance for businesses to ensure AI systems comply with international data protection regulations. OpenAI has launched a new family of artificial intelligence models specifically designed for software developers. The new system offers improved performance in coding tasks and better follows technical instructions while reducing operational costs. The models can process significantly larger amounts of text and show marked improvements in software engineering benchmarks. These advancements will enable software development teams to streamline their workflows and reduce coding time while maintaining high-quality standards. Google has created an artificial intelligence system called DolphinGemma that can analyze and generate dolphin vocalizations. The technology combines Google's existing AI capabilities with specialized audio processing to understand dolphin communication patterns. The project includes development of underwater communication devices and will be made available to researchers worldwide. This innovation opens new possibilities for environmental research firms and marine biology organizations to better understand and protect marine life. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at razor.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.